The global AI-powered personalized nutrition market is experiencing rapid growth, forecasted to reach approximately $5.55 billion in 2026. Platforms like MyFitnessPal, Yazoo, and FoodVisor are accelerating this growth. What this tells us is clear. This space is expanding fast, and the opportunity is real. If you are thinking about building an AI-powered nutrition app, this demo will give you a clear view of what that experience should look like. In this walkthrough, we are showcasing an AI-driven nutrition platform that we, at Intellivon, have designed to deliver true personalization at scale. We start with a seamless onboarding experience that sets the foundation for everything that follows. Instead of generic recommendations, we focus on building a system that adapts to each user. New users can quickly create an account using email or sign up through Google or Facebook for faster access. Returning users can log in instantly. If a user forgets their password, we provide a secure recovery flow with email or phone verification, keeping the process simple and reliable. Once inside, we guide users through a structured personalization flow. We collect inputs like fitness experience, gender, goals, weight, age, and workout frequency. We also integrate voice-based analysis and allow syncing with Apple Health to make the experience more connected and accurate. From there, the home screen becomes a real-time nutrition dashboard. We show users their daily calorie targets along with macro distribution for protein, carbs, and fats, updated dynamically. Users also get clarity on how their calories are distributed across meals throughout the day, making planning easier. Meal logging is designed to feel effortless. Users can browse categorized meals and add them with a single tap. But where we push things further is with AI-powered food recognition. With the Add Photo feature, users can simply capture an image of their meal, and our AI identifies the food, estimates calories, and breaks down macros instantly. We remove the need for manual calculations and give users that immediate, usable insights. Once the scan is complete, users can view a detailed nutritional report, including values per 100 grams and key benefits of the food. To make guidance even more accessible, we have built an AI assistant, Ask Tomato AI, which acts as a personal nutritionist available at any time. Users can type queries, browse suggested prompts, or even interact through voice for a hands-free experience. Search within the app is fast and structured. Users can explore recipes, meals, and ingredients, all organized with clear nutritional data at a glance. The Discover section highlights curated meals like Greek yogurt with berries or scrambled eggs with spinach, helping users find healthy options quickly. Each recipe includes ingredients, preparation steps, and time estimates, along with a guided cooking mode that walks users through each step. Users can also leave feedback, helping us continuously improve recommendations. We give users full control through a detailed profile section. They can view and update personal information, manage their stats, and ensure the AI always works with accurate data. Notifications are customizable, so users stay informed without being overwhelmed. The Favorites section allows quick access to frequently used foods and recipes, making daily logging faster. We also support multiple languages, ensuring the app works seamlessly for a global audience. From the profile, users can manage passwords, review privacy policies, and access the Help Center for quick support. Everything is designed to feel simple on the surface while being powered by strong systems underneath. What we have built at Intellivon goes beyond a basic nutrition app. We combine AI, user behavior insights, and thoughtful design to create an experience people can actually follow consistently. If you are planning to build a similar AI-powered nutrition platform, we would love to work with you. Connect with us at Intellivon, and let's build something impactful.